Hey, how you doing? This is Anthony over at Woodyah. I just wanted to show you guys real quick the Stanley 98.99 parts accessories that I have. These are the depth stops that I have, so they work really nicely. This is the blade right here. This is an A2 steel, ready to go with the proper angles and everything. I don't know if you can see it right there. So this is very nice. You go ahead, you put it in there. You line up, these are the lever caps I had made. Often if the blades are missing, so are the caps. So you just line that up right there. So there's like a double angle on that we had to account for, so that fits right in. Line it up to the screw, and you could then screw it in. So you see how easy that is? That goes in right there. These are the Woodyah screws. These are the 1028 screws. These are the ones we sell on the site. They're compatible pretty much with like spoke shaves, these, but enough about that. So I wanted to show you guys putting these on real quick. So this is the depth stop, and this is a pretty fairly common plane that you could find around. They're specialty planes, but you see this? You see this wing nut here? You see this? I hate this. Okay, stupid. So when I was speaking to my team, I said, you know what, I never want to deal with a wing again. Okay, you give me real screws that could go right in, and we're done. I'm not playing these games anymore. And most times when I ship these, I send it with a lock washer. That way you don't even have to worry even more. But these are nice. I like this because I like to grab things and open and close. I like to get them nice and tight so the knurling's there. These are the 1028 screws on the site. I even put this here in case you want to get it really tight. And that's the game right there. And this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make sure these tools are available because there's nothing worse than not being able to use a tool that you get. Bam. And right there, you just got restored by Woodyah. Set your depth. Set your blade. Tighten it up. Tighten it up. We're done, folks. Right here, goes right across. Have a great day.